Go, Reese. All right. Yeah, you got it. Keep going, Reese. Keep winding. All right. Oh, did you lose him?
No.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's a nice one. Keep reeling, Reese. Keep winding. Grayson, get ready with that net. You're just gonna bring the net down, Grayson, and keep it right to Grayson. Boom. Good job, Reese. Hey, you can stop reeling now. High five, Grayson. Good job on the net, man. Fish number 2. Stay right there, buddy. Hold on.
I don't think I can get. Oh, it's fine. I got it.
Oh, keep the tip up. Keep the tip. Put your hand in front of the rod. There you go. And tuck that into your shoulder.
Yep, he's on.
All right.
He just didn't want to show it.
Keep that tip up. Lead him over this way to Reese. Bring him over this way to Reese so he can net him for you. All right, slow it down. Slow it down.
This thing is a monster.
Yeah, it's a good size. You're going to bring it right in. You're going to bring it right into Reese. Perfect. All right, now, wait. All right. Good job, guys. Nice one.
On the board with now 3 fish.
Nice. Just set it down on the ground.
That's about the same
Good job.
size as yours, Reese.
Is that number 3? That's number 3, guys. Here you go, Grayson. Hold the rod. I'm going to get him off the hook. Number 3.
We should go to school and tell Mason.
That tip pointed up. Hold it in front of the rod. Hold it in front of the reel. There you go. There.
Oh, no.
All right. There you go, Reese. Is it coming in? Does it feel heavy?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yep. I can tell from his reeling.
All right.
Definitely something on there.
Good job, guys. All right.
4 fish.
All right. Nope, we lost him.
No.
He came off. There you go, Reese. Nice. Wasn't in the water for more than 10 seconds. Not so high. Don't lift him out of the water. Keep him in the water. There you go. And then keep reeling him in. Keep reeling him in. There you go. And then just right there, let Grayson scoop it. Yep. Perfect, guys. You guys are getting this down. Getting it down for the kids. All right, go ahead and set it on the ground, Grayson. Set it on the ground right there. That's fine. All right. Somebody hold the rod for me.
What happened?
Grayson, hold the rod over.
What happened? You caught a big fish and then you caught a tiny
Don't pull them out of the net though, because we don't want them to flop back in the water. Oh, see? That's how they flop back in the water.
Yeah,
there we go. Good job, Reese. Nice job, guys.
I caught a tiny fish and then I caught a giant one that he caught.
Yep. Don't pull them out of the water. There you go. Good job, guys.
Lucky number 6.
Lucky number
He's
6.
a strong one.
He is a strong one.
Yeah, strong.
Good job, Grayson and Reese. Bring it back up. That would be lucky number 6 for us. Rod wasn't in the water more than like 10, 20 seconds maybe tops.
There's a Dorito on him.
He has a Dorito on him?
I didn't put that there.
Man, even the fish like Doritos, huh?
Oh crap. Oh dude. Hold it up. Putting on it.
Well, we're having a good day. Beautiful weather. We've got about 11 fish or 10 fish. And this little area right here seems to be the hot spot. These 2 rods have been the ones catching all these fish. So we're going to keep at it and see if we can finish our limit of fish today. Whoa, Reese. Hey, Grayson.
Yep.
How many fish do we have now?
We have like 12.
12. Man, I got to reel one in by accident. I'm checking the line. We got Reese way down there who's caught 2 on the lure on a humdinger. And we're waiting for a bite now. Maybe we'll catch a limit today. And Grayson just stabbed another fish. Careful with that knife, dude. Later up, we'll give you another update later. Another great day. 12 fish. Hanging out with buds. Can't really ask for anything better than that, I guess. Until next time.